3, 2, 1, go.
Applications of sophisticated technologies in business operations have gradually evolved over the past few years and resulted in a remarkable change in the way businesses are operated. Integration of the latest technologies has drastically improved business results and enhanced their functioning. The implementation of artificial intelligence has become very common these days. With the growing demand and continuous advancement in the field of AI, artificial intelligence system is a term used to define the way computers can behave in a particular business environment. AI provides businesses with a competitive advantage while accelerating the decision-making process, enabling organizations to build stronger relationships with customers while increasing customer engagement, thereby enhancing the customer experience. Therefore, AI acts as a weapon for businesses, allowing them to accurately target their customers, save costs, and improve their processes.